This is an update concerning the railway construction on the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway. A lot of people are asking questions. Is the railway still going to be constructed, or is just a rumor? On today's video, I'll be showing you, telling you and giving you the real updates concerning the railway construction on the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway. Though there are news and viral posts going on in the internet that this project has kicked off from Jakonde, but I just want you to disregard all of that because nothing has been done here. I came to confirm and also be sure that this project people are posting is really true. Now let me break it down for you. Some of the things causing delay on the railway project is due to government shift on focus. Now they are focusing more on the Lagos-Ibadan railway planning, which is an inland project. There are also problems with the funding, and also there are lower announcements to the public. So with this planning, it's going to take longer time for the coastal highway rail project to be fulfilled. Yes, when you go to the construction site, you will see a lot of signs, men at work. Sometimes it looks like this project is kicking up, but trust me, they are focused more on the road itself. And I'm assuring you that from now till the next 3 years, this rail project won't be in talk yet. So let's watch the video and confirm.
It's Jakonde, and this is where the train at the coastal road is going to start. Yes, but are there any physical signs that this train or rail has started the construction? No. The answer is no. But all over the news, it was said that the schedule is for 2026 March. But it's April already, and that is why I came here to make this video, to check if truly the train construction or the rail construction has started. But unfortunately, there are no physical construction here. But all you could see is the space is obviously there. The equipment, some are there, but I don't think this will be used anytime soon. That's why I'll fly the drone now to show you how scanty the construction sites look, so you know that nothing is currently going on.
The Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway Rail project is still under discussion. It hasn't even been confirmed if approved or not. And even if it has been approved, it has not been funded. So these are a lot of processes that are still going to take place. For now, the Eco Atlantic is still filling up the phase 4. This rail project is still coming up. The coastal road isn't even completed yet. At least if completed and the rail project kick off, this is still going to take about 5 to 10 years before completion. That's just the cons of this project. But the pro is that if eventually it gets completed, there will be a faster travel time and also a smoother ride. Unlike traveling with the Benin or the expressway for those who go to the east, Calabar and the rest, you notice how bad the roads are. But with the train, you won't feel anything like traffic, police surge, and even bandits problem. So it's safer, cheaper, and more reliable.
This is where the train will be constructed. As you can see, this is the space. All over the place is written men at work, but there are no men at work. Maybe soon or later the construction is about to start, or maybe this men at work was installed here during the time of this road, but obviously they were not here before. So these are newly installed men at work signage, but there are no men working. Now I would have said maybe this sign that they put here that men at work and road work ahead, please slow down. Maybe there are any construction. Look at, there are no construction going on. The road here has been completed. Vehicles are moving so fast here. So I don't know if this sign shows that the construction will soon start, or maybe it was something else. But this is something that tells me construction might start very soon. Look at the coastal road. See the concrete reinforcements. This is it. That's to show you. Look, all these things are. See. So you can see the heights of the road itself. This is all the concrete reinforcements. and this other part before they install the rod that they use to reinforce it. So nothing is holding this road, it's just sand, pure sand. Wow.